Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to use StatCrunch to calculate sample size. Let's first look at an example from Pearson's question pool. This example says that an environmental agency worries that many cars may be violating clean air emission standards. The agency hopes to check a sample of vehicles in order to estimate that percentage, with a margin of error of 6% and 90% confidence. To gauge the size of the problem, the agency first picks 60 cars and finds 12 with 40 emissions systems. How many should be sampled for full investigation? So this to ask you, how many cars should you sample in order to solve this problem? So we're required to calculate the sample size. To do the sample size calculate sample size in StatCrunch for they're giving the proportion stats. So you're gonna go to stats, proportion stats, one sample, power, and sample size. So under here, you click on confidence interval width. So here, there's 4 boxes here. You need to fill in 3 of those boxes in order to get the third one. So this one, we're asking for the sample size. So we need to know what is the width, what is the confidence level, and what is the target proportion. So the confidence level, it says 90% confidence. So you're going to change that to 9.90. And the width is 2 times margin error. Here tell you a margin of error of 6%. So basically you use 2 times that. So 2 times 0.06. Put them in decimal. I'm just using a calculator in Excel. So this is our width. The width is 0.12. So you come and you put the width 0.12. And what is the target proportion? The target proportion is the sample proportion. Look at this question. It says this agency picks 60 cars and finds 12 of them with 40 emission systems. So the proportion is the number of success out of the total number. So which will be 12 over 60. So let's do that. 12 divided by 60, we got 0.02. So Pro 2. And this is all the information you need. After you download, just compute. And they give you 121. That's why I get this number here. So the only thing that you need to calculate normally is the width, because they normally tell the margin error. And the width is 2 times the margin error. And the target proportion is just the sample proportion. So I hope this helped you a little bit, but let's look at another example. Let's look at problem 4. So here, let's close the window. A polling company conducts an annual poll of adults about political opinions. The survey asks a random sample of 474 adults whether they think things in the country are going in the right direction or in the wrong direction. 55% said that things were going in the wrong direction. So let's look at part B. It says how many people would need to be surveyed for 90 confidence interval to ensure the margin of error will be less than 4%. So here, they tell you the confidence level is 90% and the margin error is 0.04. And then they also tell you the sample proportion, 555. Out of those many people, there are 555% said that. So they just tell you the proportion directly. In this case, you don't have to calculate the proportion by yourself. So let's go to stats, proportion stats, one sample, power, and sample size. Click on confidence interval width. Our confidence level is 0.90. And the width is 2 times the margin error. What is our margin error? Is 0.04. So 0.04 times 2, that's going to be 0.08. Times 2, yes, so we got 0.08. Let's come back. 0.08. And the target proportion is just the sample proportion. So let's put that 0.55 and just compute. And you get the sample size right here. Okay. So these are the 2 examples to show you how to calculate sample size in StatCrunch. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye-bye.